I've been really busy working on a project inside the house, so and I haven't been filming it. Our bathroom ceiling was having problems with, if you were in the shower, you could see the paint was peeling off. And anyways, I'm redoing that. So I haven't been filming it, but here's the wood stove, or the coal stove, because it's actually a coal stove. Our bedroom is right above this. Our bathroom is over that way. But anyways, it gets really hot sometimes in there. And yesterday, I let the stove going out. Couple reasons. First off, I was up there working. It was really hot. Temperature, a few reasons anyways. The temperature was pretty warm outside yesterday. It was in the 40s. But anyways, also, I was kind of preparing for this upcoming storm, Winter Storm Gerri. And I wanted to clean the stove out a little bit, get it ready to, burn fire. Because this isn't our only source of heat, but we try to make it our only source that we use for the most part. Because first off, wood heat is way better. Wood or coal, because I got a couple bags of coal there too. Fed heat just heats our house a lot better than the forced air heat. But last night, the stove did go out, and I was laying in bed and could hear the tremendous wind coming in with this storm Gerri, and the power flickered off, and I don't know how many times, even screwed up my coffee pot that I had to come out in the morning. Rough life, huh? And push the button to start it. But anyways, but I thought, I do things that I don't even realize I'm prepared for for this winter storms, winter and in general, I guess. And don't even realize I do it. We have, with the electric going out, I have generators, backup generators with some gasoline to last us at least a few days. Hopes that there's other gas stations still open to keep, the freezers cold, the lights on, the internet on, if we're fortunate enough that it didn't bring down the, trees or something to bring down the cable coming into the house. But anyways, I laid in bed and I thought, well, after I clean the stove, I will bring you guys along on how I fire it back up again. I hope you guys are all planning for this storm, or you may even be, depending on where you're watching this from, you may even be living right through it right now. We've been very fortunate this winter. It's been very mild. For the most part, we're getting rain. So I've been letting the stove go on and off quite a bit because it gets too hot in the house. And actually, two of my daughters that are real close to here, they're out of power right now. They both have that generator back up and able to keep their houses warm, their water on, stuff like that, because we are all on well water out here. But anyways, I'll bring you along, and we'll go about lighting the stove again and getting ready for this, to get the stove back on. And then I'll get back to my bathroom ceiling. But you all have a good day. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks for hanging. I like to use a little bit of liquid Boy Scout. Yeah, I know. Not really supposed to do that, but I've fought with fires for I don't know how long. I know you can use little pieces of kindling and everything like that in a stove, get it started. I just found it's easier using that. I've played that game before. I can start a fire. Yeah, in an emergency situation, I can still do it. But for ease, so much easier that way. Watch, just quick with liquid Boy Scout in there. And the door's open just a teeny little bit right here, trying to get some air in it. It draws the air in that way. I used to open up the ash door and do it, but every now and then it would puff back in through here. So I found out it's easier just to have this door open for a little bit, get the fire burning, and once it gets going good, then I can close it up. So you can see I got the wood stove down here in the basement. It's storming, starting to come in. Been very fortunate this year with the amount of snowfall we've had. Wind's a little bit burning, or a little bit blowing this morning. As you can hear, it's crunching underneath my feet. So it's getting cold again. And you can probably hear the wind too. She's starting to get nasty. I got to get some more stuff to work on my bathroom. After I get this stove burning, I'm gonna run up to town and get some paint rollers. Anyway, we're on our way. I hope that you're prepared for this storm, and you're faring well with it. I think it's going to get pretty nasty. I've been seeing people out west that are getting hammered already. It's just getting over here on the East Coast today, and it's supposed to drop down into the teens, and then I saw single digits next week. Make sure you're prepared for it. Hopefully this wind curves off and we don't lose electricity, but it's nice to know that you got a backup for it. Well, you all have a great day. Glad you came and hung with me. We'll see you on the next video. I got to get this before I close this video out, I got to get this bathroom, and I have to put a ceiling fan up in my wife's and my bedroom too. Ceiling fan and light. When you own a 30-some-year-old house, things start breaking down, of course. You all have a great day, and we'll talk to you on the next video. Please like and subscribe. Put a big thumbs up on it. It helps on this. I'd also like to welcome some of the new subscribers I've noticed. Thanks for subscribing. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.